So this is how the palette looks like. And it has, oh, my dog also has to come in now. Mashi, can you please go out? Leah, oh, can you please close the door? Hey, what's up guys? This is me, Shanti, and you're watching me on my YouTube channel, The Leah V. Watching me in this video for the first time, then thank you so much for taking time out of your day to click on this video and even watch this video. While you're here, may I suggest that you watch this video till the end. May I suggest that you click on the subscribe button right down here. Make sure to click on the bell icon next to it also, just so that you will not be missing out on video updates from my channel, like more videos like this. And if you'd like to know more about this video and what's going on today, then please keep on watching. Alright guys, so in today's video is going to be a first impressions video on this gift set that I recently got for myself. I got it during the Black Friday sales. Comes in a set of 4 products. It contains the Cocoa Blend eyeshadow palette, which is the biggest one right here, and it also has the highlighter palette, Pure Velour Lips Matte Liquid Lipstick, as well as the Graphics Lip Liner. So we're just going to be doing a first impressions on these 3 products. I already have my moisturizer, sunscreen, eye cream, foundation, concealer, powder and eyebrows done. So the Cocoa Blend palette looks like this. It has this beautiful packaging that looks almost like a sari. It has about 10 eyeshadows in this. I believe this retails for about $35 if I'm not wrong, if you were just going to be buying the eyeshadow palette. And if you hear my kid in the background, it's because it's the December school holidays, and please beg your pardon if she comes in and just wants to be part of this makeup tutorial or any video that I make for you guys. Can you wait for me outside, baby? One thing immediately that I noticed, that it looks like a bar of chocolate. Look how slim it is. I have another palette here from Urban Decay, and this feels really weighty, and this is almost just about half of the palette, and in weight wise this is way much more lighter, and it comes in a cardboard packaging. Yeah, it feels kind of sturdy like any other eyeshadow palette that we have in the market. So let's get started. To begin with, I'm going to be taking the color called Butterstart with a 322 brow line from Zoeva. They make the best brushes in my opinion, and they are really affordable. I'm just going to be packing the color underneath my brow bone. The Zoeva Cocoa Blend palette has 4 matte shades, and the rest of the 6 are type of like shimmery, sheeny colors. I feel like this will look really good on Indian skin types across many different complexions. And the next color I'm going to be taking, it's called Substitute for Love. I'm using this brush from Real Techniques. This is the Deluxe Crease brush. It has like a very nice, neutral, slightly warm taupey color shade, and I think this will look really nice just above the crease. So now that we have the 2 colors, I do want to cut the crease a little bit because I'm feeling this maroon shade over here that's called Warm Notes. Such a pretty color. I feel like it will complement the deep dark burgundy sweater that I have on right now. So I'm going to be cutting the crease and then placing this Warm Notes all over the first half of my inner corner of my eye. I'm just going to be grabbing any lighter shade of concealer. This is from Colourpop No Filter Concealer. This is in the shade Medium 26. I'm going to be using a flat brush like this one. I'm going to be taking Warm Notes on the other end of the brush. To finish off the eyes, now that we have the desired intensity on both the eyes, I'm going to be reaching out to the darkest brown from this eyeshadow palette, which is this color right here. It's like a very dark brown that has a lot of grey undertones in it, and I'm going to be using this brush from Bloom Kit. I believe her name is R38 round pencil brush, just so that I want it to work a little bit up to my crease. I'm just taking a little bit of color, tapping the excess off, and whatever that's left of the brush, I'm not going to be reaching out for the same dark brown shadow once again. Whatever that's left, I'm just going to be lightly diffusing the color across my crease, just on the outer thirds. I'm going to be using the same pencil brush, taking a little bit more product. I'm going to be running it on the lower lash line. I feel like the look calls in for a little bit more crease definition, and I want to reach out for this color that's called Fresh Toasted. That's kind of like a very warm crease color that's perfect for this look, and I'm going to be using my small tapered blending brush from Sigma that looks like this, and it fits nicely into the crease. I'm just going to be taking a little bit, tap the excess off. Going back to the same brush. I don't have any more product. I just want to lightly diffuse the color. Now that we're done with the eyeshadow application, I want to line my lower waterline with the Rimmel Scandalized in the shade Coal. I'm not going to be applying any eyeliner for this makeup look. Instead, I'm going to be putting on some falsies. We're going to be moving on to the face. I'm going to be just zooming you back. Moving on to the face, I'm going to be picking up the highlighting powder palette, and basically it looks like this, and it has two, I want to say it has this like very rosy blush highlighting duo kind of situation here, and this is called, oh, I love the name. It's called Mastery of Chocolate. I will definitely love you from now on. And I don't particularly have a blush that I usually would use, but I think this will look really nice on me. I think with this shade you can actually skip out on highlight, so let's give it a go. Let's go a little bit extra and just take on the highlighter. The other shade is called the Dessert, and I absolutely love it. I'm picking up the color with the Luxe Powder Fusion brush from Zoeva, and I'm tapping the excess off, and I'm just lightly running the color on the tops of my cheek. It's not too obvious, but it's there, that type of situation, and I really like it. One thing though I feel like I want to put out there is that the highlighting face palette kind of complements the eyeshadow look, and I'm pretty sure that it will look good with any eyeshadow combo that you place on your eye. Alright, so now we have the two lip products out from the packaging. This is the Velour Liquid Lipstick. I believe this is in the shade, this is the waterproof lip pencil, and this is called Earthbound. Give you a quick swatch of how the color looks like. I probably want to go in with something darker. This is a little bit too mauvey for me, and I do need a little bit of visibility when I'm lining my lips with a lip liner, so I'm going to be using my NYX Lip Suede. And then now I'm going to be using the Pure Velour Lips, and this is in the shade Faint of Heart. I like how it is actually feeling like on the lip. It feels very much like the Sephora's Cream Lip Stain. This is the final look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching this first impression type of makeup tutorial. And if you did enjoy watching this video, I just need a small favor from you. All you have to do is, if you haven't subscribed already, click on the subscribe button right down this video. Make sure to click on the bell icon next to it, just so that you'll be updated and notified, and you will not be missing out on any update like videos like this from my channel. And I shall catch you very soon in my next video. Bye guys!